Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to show you how to make spiral object in coreldraw. Now, you can choose ellipse and make it. You can copy or duplicate this and you select, and you can choose this back finish front and color it. Ctrl G, you choose it, this, and you can setting like this. Then you can rotate, make a circle like this, and double click to rotate. Move the center, rotate in this. You can rotate like this, and Ctrl D or Ctrl R 4 times like this, and like this. The finish. You can move this. You can delete the circle. Select all. You can make a group. Now finish, and you color it. Okay, finish. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you.